Hi friends, my rear defroster isn't working in my Jeep, and it's because the tab came off and I lost one of the grid lines. And so I'm going to use this Permatex kit. One of the things that I like to do that helps me out is I take the directions that come in here and then I rewrite them in a manner that I can understand a little bit better. And then I'm going to try to help you fix this, and then you can see if you can make it work for you too. Save you some time and money. All right, let's see if we can make it happen.
All right, what we have to do is take this tab, because it's obviously loose, and we're going to remove it right there. So now this tab is free. What we'll need to do is clean that area, attach it somewhere in a different spot, and then we're going to sand that down so that it makes a good connection. Make sure everything is turned off while you're doing this. You don't want the defroster on. So just cleaning this area. All right, so that's nice and clean. Now we're going to sand this old tab so that it makes a good connection. Yeah, we'll fast forward this so it looks cool, but basically that's what I'm doing. All right, I don't know if you can see that, but that should make a good connection. All right, what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to use the activator. All right, don't touch this stuff. I don't know why, but it says not to touch it. Radioactive, poisonous, who knows? I already opened it, but you just flip it like this. You open that up, and then you activate the area by essentially rubbing it on here. I'm just going to hyper activate the area because I'm not exactly sure where it's going to fit. Next, I take the adhesive and I knead it. I already dried that area. And the goal is to make this stuff essentially a similar color, so it's going to look like it's going to turn tan. And it's a uniform color, so that's basically all you're looking for. All right, yes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rip this open, put a drop of it on there, and then stick it where I want it to stay. And then hold it for a bit. All right. So do this. Get a good drop of it on there. Not on the Jeep, dummy. Okay. And then a different location than it was before, but I can clip it in there and it'll help hold. So I'm just going to hold this here for a while, and hopefully it'll make a beautiful connection. Then what you want to make sure you do is you wait at least 24 hours before you use the defroster. If it works, I'll let you know. Okay, here's a little suggestion I have. Use some painter's tape or duct tape to hold that in place. Otherwise, you'll be sitting there forever holding it.
Hi friends. I hooked up my rear defroster to my multimeter, and I'm just as surprised as you, but it worked. And next I have to work on the grid system because some of the grids are off. But everything I did with the Permatex seemed to work, and I'm really excited. Hopefully you guys will be able to fix that problem if it's one that you have, and hopefully you'll get your rear defroster working as well. Thank you very much. Have a great day.